Hello, friends. Welcome to Everyday English Stories. Today we are with Anna in her small bedroom. Let's start. The rain falls softly from the gray sky. Tiny drops touch the clear window glass. They slide down slowly in long, shiny lines. The sky looks heavy and dark. Anna sits on her warm bed. The blanket is thick and blue. She wears a soft white sweater. Her long brown hair falls on her shoulders. She hears the rain and turns her head. Now, she stands up and walks to the window. The wooden floor feels cool under her feet. She touches the big window. The glass is cold. Outside, the view is beautiful. Green trees move gently in the wind. Their wet leaves shine. Water drips from the branches. Drop, drop, drop. Anna opens the window just a little. Fresh, cool air comes in. Rain smells clean. She breathes deeply. Then, she sees a small friend. A small gray bird sits on the wet branch. Its feathers look dark and heavy. The bird shakes its wings. Water drops fly like small stars. Anna smiles and talks to the bird. Hello, little bird. Stay dry. The bird looks at her. It sings a short, sweet song. Suddenly, the sky makes a sound. Thunder comes low and far away. The window shakes softly. White light flashes in the sky. Anna counts slowly. 1, 2, 3. Thunder comes again. She likes the sound. Next, she sits down to watch. She sits on the wide window seat. The cushion is soft and gray. She pulls her knees up. She rests her chin on them. The rain changes a little. Rain falls faster now. It taps the roof. Tap, tap, tap. Water runs down the street. The road looks shiny and black. Anna keeps watching the water. It carries small leaves. The leaves float like tiny boats. After that, she takes her pencil. She takes a red pencil from the small wooden table. She opens a white notebook. The pages are clean. She starts to draw. She draws the rainy window, gray clouds, blue rain, green tree, small bird. Her lines are slow and careful. Soon, the rain becomes lighter. The clouds turn white. Sunlight comes through. A rainbow appears. It has bright colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Anna stands up again. She opens the window more. Warm air comes in now. The rainbow looks close. She waves at the sky. Thank you, rain. She feels happy. Finally, she closes the window. The room smells fresh. She sits on the bed again. The blanket feels warm. She looks at her drawing one more time. It is simple but nice. She puts the notebook on the table. The day ends quietly. The bird flies away. The trees stop moving. The street dries slowly. Anna lies down and closes her eyes. The rainy day was calm and beautiful. That is Anna's rainy day. Thank you for watching Everyday English Stories. See you next time. Stay warm.